The PNP molds the putting up of ammunition reloading machines in every police regional office in the country. This should ensure the availability of bullets for use by policemen. Alvin Baltazar with the details.
Who would not be familiar with the very catchy line of a popular song, Kawawang Cowboy, that describes a herdsman equipped with a gun but without bullets? The PNP certainly does not want to be on such ridiculous position, or else take the mockery of being dubbed as criminal hunters with bulletless guns. In order to avoid destiny same as that of the miserable cowboy, the PNP is contemplating to duplicate the PNP car's own ammunition reloading machine, which hopefully be put up to every police regional offices. The reloading machine for short firearms reportedly can produce as much as 500 bullets every hour, while a machine for long firearms can generate 1,000 ammunitions for M16 daily.
This will solve yung sinasabing problema sa mga proficiency ng ating mga pulis sapagkat magkakaroon na tayo ng maraming supply because of this reloading procedure, no? Kasi yung mga binibili natin based on the budget na 40 million a year, ito ay talagang gamit lang sa law enforcement at saka sa mga combat operations.
PNP Cordillera says that they can save as much as 50% for having their own ammunition reloading machine. A bullet for 9mm, which is at 19 pesos each, can be reduced to only 7 pesos if it was manufactured by their own reloading equipment. On the other hand, the original price of one M16 bullet, which is at 26 pesos, can be trimmed down to as much as 12 pesos each.
Tines na namin to. Out of 5,700 na ginamit namin sa isang competition at training ng SWAT. Nagkaroon lang kami ng diferensya sa pitong kwan lang. At
Out of 5,000?
700. Oh.
The PNP needs to allocate 140,000 pesos for every reloading machine amid its plan to acquire it and have installed to every police region. The Chief PNP said that the acquisition of such machine will also be used in the enhancement of their personnel in target proficiency.
Yung mga training natin, kuminsan, hindi na susuportahan doon sa 40 million pesos. No? But now, meron na tayong pagkakataon na mapaganda pa yung performance ng mga pulis natin.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.